So today we are going to make oats porridge. I hope you all know that. I think it is the easiest porridge ever to make. So it's just oats, and these are the ingredients that we have here. We have oats, water, sugar, and milk. Here I got my saucepan already on the fire, so I'm going to put 3 mugs of water, but you can use any quantity according to the quantity of porridge you want. Me, I'm going to use 3 mugs because I'm going to make a cup full of oats. When I'm done putting the water, so I'm going to let it to heat a little bit. When it's done heating, and then I'm going to add my oats. I'm going to add the mug of oats that I had. Then I'm going to stir it continuously. After stirring it, I'm going to let it simmer for some minutes. After that little minute, so I have to continuously stir up the oats, the porridge, such that it doesn't form bumps. Yeah, so after here a little boiling of the porridge, I'm going to get my milk and pour into the porridge and then stir it again, so that the milk can completely dissolve inside the oats. So at this point, I'm going to add in the sugar. You can put any amount of sugar according to how you love it. Yes, so me, I take a little bit more sugar, so I add like 2 spoons of sugar, and then I have to stir it again. So as you can see, our porridge is already thick, it's beautiful, and is looking yummy. So we are just going to give it a little bit minutes such that it can boil better. We are going to give it like 4 to 5 minutes, of which after we are going to take it down, and it's ready for eating, as you can see here. My porridge is now ready and served. It is very high in fiber and is a very good source of energy. Go try this. You won't regret it. It's very delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. See you.